And here we have a wild Kilpster Media. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am in the back of an S5. We are going to Leeds Aet Motorsport. We've got a whisper bar and a boost bar for turbos, and we're gonna have some fun. We're gonna make a fun video. I'm not gonna fall asleep because it's currently 6:30 in the morning. I've been up since like 5:30. Probably gonna fall asleep. But yeah, we're gonna have fun. We're gonna have a good time. We're gonna laugh. We're gonna cry. It's gonna be emotional. Brandon's getting his shed with us. He's getting my turbo because he's copying me and can't do anything himself. So we're gonna have fun, and I'll see you there. Bye.
Naughty, I'm going for shit.
Can you, yes, wait.
Do you want me to vlog yourself?
No,
third person vlog. Shall I vlog you?
Oh, get the side exit and that.
What the fuck?
Mad.
Got a side exit.
Look at the side exit. Stephen,
What?
look at the side exit.
Oh no, I showed it to him earlier.
That's his mad.
Sick though.
Exit. All the boxes.
Koenigsegg Ahara. Koenigsegg. It's like a Lamborghini, I think. Koenigsegg Agera. Listen, I saw it in the Need for Speed film, and it was a great film.
What?
The Koenigsegg Ahara,
Agera.
Agara.
I don't like them, man. Didn't they launch them and then they didn't have a
This is fun. Nice car. Brandon's car's broke because the Turbo Smart is like fucking his valve, some shit like that. So basically, don't let Brandon work on your car, and don't let Steve work on the car either, because it always goes wrong.
What was your last video? Basically, I was like a
You're not happy enough, Brandon.
No, it's
Brandon, you're smart.
I would have pissed him off.
Oh, you'll be alright.
No, I'll get very stressed. He always tells me, stop stressing. The car comes with limited horsepower. By the time we have finished,
Fuck this channel. Go over to Kilpster, YouTube Kilpster, to see some proper footage.
Instagram Kilpster Media.
X7BDC and stuff.
Steve Mark 6.
You've just ruined my time lapse.
You're videoing for a time lapse.
Yeah, that's what he does. He just falls.
Just take a photo.
I don't like doing that shit. He does it properly.
Oh, your stabilisation's really good though. Your stabilisation's much better.
Your camera lens is dirty though.
What's cameras?
You need to clean that lens, man.
You got any more questions?
Clean that. Did you just lick your finger and...
No, you didn't.
You don't deserve the camera.
You don't deserve to be famous. You asked to clean it.
That's
I
not
didn't.
clean up, innit?
Use your
supposed to be
t-shirt.
covered.
No, I'm using my jumper.
Why are you upset, Brandon?
Because Tommy won't tell me.
Tell
Let's
you
get
what.
him.
What do you think, Steve?
Man.
Is it beat a GTD?
No.
No.
Just a fool.
He's calling it
I want all this in blue for mine. I think I look mad.
I don't get a full beast on it still.
That's where the thingy-majiggy goes into the thingy-majiggy. You know what I mean? Is that what it is? It's amazing.
I don't know.
Oh, you dickhead. Right, mate.
I want 80 something.
That's the bit that blew out of mine down there somewhere, but it's not there.
Don't want to touch it. Because if I break it, I'll be in trouble. This is my new car, we've traded. Race car, it's fucking sick. Look it. This is amazing. Honestly, so fucking sick.
What do you mean?
It's fucking loud. Oh my god, the brightness. They're gonna make it street flames for us. There we go. So we're gonna see some flames hopefully, and some bangs, so that'll be sick. That's what they're doing there, they're like tuning it up, doing the fuels and shit.
Fuck that.
No, it used everything a KO4 uses.
There's anything going in the rear.
Yeah, but how much brake can your turbo take?
400.
Lies.
On my,
Yeah, but everything the KO4 uses, they use.
So this is the progression on Brandon's car, as you can see. It's very, very empty. What do you think, Brandon?
I don't know.
Brandon doesn't think. He doesn't think. We're waiting for chicken. They've gone to get Steve and everyone's gone to get us KFC and left me and Brandon alone. And we're lonely and cold, hungry. And we're just waiting for a chicken. Oh, this is a banger. This is Nirvana. It smells like Team Spirit. But I'm going to show you my chicken because it's going to be good. This is my chicken. I was talking to you guys about. Look, here's my chicken.
Why was you going to get bigger?
We've got the popcorn, we've got chips, we've got corn, we've got that, we've got that.
What?
Happy Tom.
Kilson Media delivers again.
No, it's not. It's too guard dogs.
I'll say yet.
Right, it's B7TMY. Just doing an interview because they're doing an interview.
Fucking hell. Almost headbutted me.
You're going stage 3?
Yeah.
What mods have you already done?
Miltech Sports Cat, Miltech Race Version Exhaust, Revo Engine Mount, Ram Air Induction Kit, Dual Port Turbo Smart. That's performance mods.
Is that
oh,
all
and stage 3 air technical.
So you have to have all that to go stage 3?
Yeah.
So what
and the crossover, but that's been put on today. RTG one.
Alright, so what was you running? You was running how much brake?
I don't know, about 260, but it was very fast.
That was stage 2?
Yeah.
And then so stage 3 is going to be hoping at 3...
Anything between 330 and 350.
Anything between 330 and 350. And B7 TMY is there.
Make a continuous loop.
So,
Never had the spectrum.
yeah, I got an idea. You go on my camera screen and I'll...
Make it like a never-ending spectrum.
Lensception.
So, yeah. So, are you nervous?
Yeah.
So what's gone wrong so far?
Nothing really. There was nothing actually wrong with the Turbo Smart. It was just on the wrong setting.
Nothing.
It was maybe a bit loose. Or
Who fitted the turbo?
I did. That's the only thing I fit on my car myself.
And what went wrong? And what went wrong? The one thing you fitted
yeah.
yourself? So has he sorted that?
Yeah, son. I can't breathe.
fucking goes.
That's not very comfortable, not gonna lie.
It was before you fucking landed on me.
Oh, look at you.
Look at the little bags, people. This happens when you get air ride. You gotta sleep together.
I've drunk some though, so you're gonna have to share it.
Is it? Where did you get that from? I don't,
We split the money.
I don't think it, oh.
Small update for B7 TMY's channel.
Shut up, let's talk for fuck's sake, you peer.
You cretin.
Yeah, you cretin.
See the stabiliser shit? No, you said.
What stabiliser shit?
The stabiliser stuff.
It's level, so you can tell whether or not you're holding it straight.
Oh, I didn't know you could do that.
But small update, the intake's just been done. It's now 5 o'clock, right? And we've still got to get the car out, put it back together, put it on the dyno and get home. But the results are worth it. Somewhere in the region of 335 brake. Ooh. See you in a bit.
Why are you stealing my thing? Okay, gentlemen, update time. Brand's car is now getting ready to go on the dyno. Everything's fitted, turbo, he got new oil, he got a new ITG induction filter. So it should run really well on dyno, to be honest with you. So it should be some really good results. So we're just waiting around now. And then hopefully we can see how fast this shed moves.
330. No, wait, 266. That's low. Oh, that's not mapped in yet. That's not mapped yet.
What's that, like 320?
Yeah, same as Tommy's 320.
More boost.
More boost.
More. No, alright, so it's over now. Basically, he made about 330 brake and he's going to come back with boost pipes, and in about a month I'm coming back and getting diesel, which is going to be fucking sick. So I'm excited for that. But yeah, it's probably going to wrap it up in a minute. We're just getting everything sorted. But it's been a good day, good time. As always, links down below. But yeah, I don't know what we're going to do now, but if we go, I'll put it in now. But yeah, we'll see in a sec. Watch us just banter. They're all like staring at me, just thinking, what the fuck am I doing? Alright, so before this, I'll put this at the end of the video, but I just want to say, I knew we were going to do something! No way, Steve.
Just in case your footage is no good.
Alright,
Start again.
Alright, so we've got him in the middle. Alright, so before
Hey, Daniel, come here, hold this.
they're fucking nightmare.
No. Line the line.
Oh, this isn't. What's he doing?
Right, so, what we're doing
man.
is, yeah, things and stuff.
You're not Steve.
Blow valve, and that.
I'm going to carry on with what I was saying.
Right, go.
So, just want to say, massive thank you for helping me reach 3,000 subscribers. Does mean a lot, and almost like 5,000 on Instagram. So, thank you everyone for subscribing, turn notifications on, and all of that stuff. So, I'm going to do some Steve stuff. Click the end screen annotations to check out Kilpster Media, because he keeps begging and puts it in my videos, so I might as well just say it for him as well anyway. And I'm talking to cameras right now, I'm really fucking confused. But yeah, thank you for watching, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the fucking next one.